Hey guys, welcome to Emily's Robotronics. I'm your host Emily for emilysrobotronics.in, and today we have something special to share with you. This is something that my brother had been working on, and I had asked him to design some robot chassis for me for building my robotic projects. So we have been working on this module, and this module is already, the libraries are ready, and it is also gonna hit the market in a couple of days. And I'm also planning to build a custom project kit, so wherein you would have all the necessary parts to make your own robotic implementation or robotic projects. So everything that I everything that was missing was just this chassis. So now the chassis are done. So he used his creativity, and he came up with a CAD design, and we got this design cut out from one of the acrylic cutting centers close by. So it was done through a laser cutting machine, and I have done my brother had done a couple of more designs. So he had done about 8 to 10 designs, but we finalized to 5 of them, and of those 5 I just got 2 of these cut out so that I could fit in all the components and see if I needed any more changes to this. And once I finalize, I'll have all the designs out, and probably people staying close by. And if you want to have one of these boards, you can always contact me, drop in a mail at my email ID, that's info@emilysrobotronics.in, and I will let you know how and where you can collect this boards. To design chassis here is because this design that you're seeing here has the wheels kept in this position, and there's a caster wheel going down there, and few sensors in the front. So there will be a infrared sensor which you can adjust in any position, and there would be another sensor here, and there would be another sensor here which could be turned in any directions. And also here these are some extra holes that I've given, so in case you have your custom components to mount in, you always have space. And here what you're seeing is the clamps for fixing the chassis, I mean the motor holder. It's a motor clamp, the bow motor clamp, and the clamp is going to go there, and the motor is going to come up. Or you can also have it the clamp and the motor at the top, and the chassis going at a very low level. And this design here is to slide in the wires which come from the motor driving circuit, and we could have them accumulated here. So from there it's going to go on to the robot controller M1 board. So the M1 board is going to go there, and that's about the connection. So this chassis was designed keeping in mind that we would be having the driving motors at the back and the caster wheel at the front. And we also have another design here which is totally opposite to that. So here what we're gonna do is we're gonna have the driving motors at the front, and we will be having a caster wheel at the back. So, and the sensors are gonna go in the front. So the driving wheels will be in the front, and the caster wheel will move like that. So all the necessary things that is required is kept in mind, and it's all kept in place. So as you saw, there are slots for the infrared sensors, and these groove that you're seeing is will enable you to slide or tilt the infrared sensor to any angle that you would require. So from 0 to 90 degree you can mount them. The same thing is on the other side as well, and you have some extra sliding, some adjusting grooves. So what you could do is, in case you have some kind of a board which is not fitting, so if you have another top layer going in there like that, and if these two holes are not in line, and you can use these grooves to adjust its position to front and back. So that will give you a lot of options, and there are a lot of holes placed in all the required places. So it will always give you options to connect or interface as many sensors as you would like. So that's about these two chassis. So these are transparent acrylic sheets. So I will be having them in the colored version, probably the black and blue, which would suit the robotic projects more. So there you see that's the transparent part of it, so I will not be removing it until and unless I start actually working on the robot. So let me just show you the transparency part of this chassis. So it's kind of hard to remove. Yeah, there you see. So it's gonna be a completely transparent chassis, these two that I have on my desk, and these do come in two different sizes. So this is a 3mm thick acrylic sheet, and you also get it in a 5mm thick sheet. So depending on your application, if you want your robot to drive a heavier weight, probably you can go for the chassis which is of 5mm thickness, or if you're just doing some hobby projects and you don't want your robot to carry a lot of weight, so this the 3mm one would do a great job. So the choice is yours. If you want these chassis, do let me know. Let me drop in a mail to my email ID that you would see on my website, and that is info@mleesrobotronics.in. And also, one more thing is that I have all the components ready with me now to go ahead and build projects. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a couple of robotic projects. So I'm going to make use of the components, reuse them, and build a complete robotic projects using the M1 robot controller and these chassis. So that is the update for the coming videos. So I would be making a series of videos which would cover each and every topic about robotics, building robots, and also about using the robot controller M1 board. So yeah, I'm gonna name the series as Easy Robot Building, and yeah, the videos are gonna continue with that name with different parts of it. So I would like to know what you guys think of this, and if you have any suggestions for the chassis, you can do let me know, and I would definitely take in your inputs, and please do leave your feedback about these. Just see how what do you think, how they actually look. And if you like my work, do like my videos, and also subscribe for many more videos to come to. So that's it guys, that's it for today, and thanks for watching.